welcome back to DATFAMILY5. So, today we are doing a collab with Sierra and Amachi Tribe, Wanda. And so, today we are doing your husband's name items from Dollar Tree. So, I'm going to show y'all what I got real quick. My husband's name is Douglas. D-O-U-G-L-A-S. Okay. So, real quick, let me show you what I got. I got a couple things for a couple letters. You know, I had to be a little different, you know, just because I'm me. You know what I'm saying? So, real quick, for the letter D, okay, I got some home decor. We got the happy. Sorry, have the family. For the letter O, I got orange soda, his favorite crush. Who loves orange soda? Kel does. For the letter U, I got a kitchen utensil. We needed a measuring cup, so that's what I got, a measuring cup. For the letter G, I got two things. So I got a microfiber glove for my car, because my car gets dusty. And then I got some glasses for my car. And these are blue. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're blue. And because I need glasses while I'm driving. Because as Tiffany Michelle says, sunglasses are for driving, shades are for driving, glasses are for seeing. And then let's see, G-L, I got some lavender, smell good, some oils, lavender oils. And then for A, I got some apple cinnamon, smell good, to put in our bathroom. And for S, I got this sign for our bedroom, because we'll be doing a bedroom makeover soon. So I really hope that y'all like this short but sweet video. Yes, and Ezekia gonna say hi. And that'll be all. So once again, my husband's name is Douglas, and I got these items from Dollar Tree. And thank you so much for Sierra and Amachi Tribe Wanda for doing this collab. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Thank y'all so much. As always, we are the family that love life and having fun, and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. I hope y'all have fun today. Y'all be blessed. We'll see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all.